peak level, chairmen, scientists, what not. The remaining people, 50 people, they have achieved somewhat, not fully. Approach Nageshwaram, no need to tell you, my dear friends. You know this fact, you know all these facts. सब मालूम है हम लोगों को, मगर परफॉर्म नहीं करते. That is what which is going to happen. So ask the question, everybody wants to have a very excellent career. But your students are already crossed the first stage. If that is the question, after 2 years examine, everybody wants to perform very well, but it's not that. Maybe 10-20% people perform very well as you have friends today. Rest of the people, I don't say fail, but they have not reached their expectations. What could be the reasons? This is easy question. What could be the reasons, please? You want to achieve something, but you are not able to achieve. What are the reasons? Sorry? What you did not put? Yeah, that is the correct answer. Yeah, yes. You don't have motivation. Losing motivation. Instead of losing motivation, say losing confidence sometimes. Right? Motivation is such people should be available to motivate you. Okay, no problem. Also, well defined. Madam ji? Focus is not there. Focus towards the goals are not there. So, that was the math season. Wherever we go to the college, vision is there. But when you look at the mission, right, it is not matching. That's what the Nageshwaram dreams always. Again I sleep. Another dream will come. By this time the first dream is written off. Again I sleep. Third dream came. First two will be written off. Yeah, the same dreams will get performed. Get down from the bed, work very hard, and what are the dreams are coming to you, make them realize actually. That is your responsibility. So at the end of that, you are not able to achieve. You have given so many reasons. This is the core reason, madam. Not only myself, 3 organizations, McKinsey, Marathon and Ultra, they have conducted 2 years of solid research on this one. Individual Nageshwaram wants to success. He has failed. Family wants to success. Failed. Organization wants to success. Failed. Like our friend Vijay Malia. And so many things. They conducted the reasons very clearly. They come out with a 200 pages note, even now you check in the net. But our students will read Spectrum notebooks, already you must have purchased. They don't want to read the big books. And I told you, even before 10 minutes of the examinations also, our students are very busy in reading, very good students, right? That's what they said, that no hits are there. Hits are there also, not even 2 minutes hits are there. 2 minutes means they did not read anything. Then they had a weekend brainstorming session. And they came up with 2 sentences, my dear friends. My entire lecture of today, I will dedicate for these 2 sentences. If you are able to understand these 2 sentences, 100% guarantee, not 110%, 100% guarantee. If you fail, you call me. My phone number is available with the father. You call me, I guarantee for you. That is listen carefully. We know what we have to do. We know what we have to do. We don't do it. There we fail. You have to work hard for 15 hours a day. You know up to malum hai, nahi malum. You know, we don't do it. You have to come to the college regularly. We know, we don't do it. And so many questions asked by the students. You know, but we don't do the process. At the end of the day, we fail. If you doesn't know something, somebody will answer you. If you doesn't know something, you are failed. Yes, there is a meaning in that one. But unfortunately, what is happening, we know what we have to do. We know what to be performed. We know what not to be performed. Right? We know. We don't do it. There we fail. I dedicate this rewards to you. Keep it in your mind. Clarity is there with you. You want to come up in the life. Vision. It is your dream. And how you are going to realize that dream? Now itself you try to chalk out a plan, put it on the paper, and implement it. I think I have seen many students by 6 o'clock I have to get up, 6:15, 6:30 I have to go for a walking. Planning is perfect, no implementation of that planning at all. Huh? That is what be practical, at least 10 to 20% be practical actually. That is what which you are going to enhance your value. Funny example, always a serious in the like I have students, toppers joining the back. Generally I take the first class of 9 o'clock. When I came to the 9 o'clock, out of 40 students, right? Father will be strict, I think every student will come to the class, father sir. Only 15 to 20 students are there, despite finance class, right? So I am not degrading other subjects because I like finance because my success will be counted by the finance only, right? I have to open the back door also. So I never restrict the candidates. Even last 5 months also come some, at least one word will go into mind. I am not very strict, right? Because I am not strict, students likes me like anything. If I am strict, they don't like. So by the time attendance taking, 40 students are full. And I have a very good student. Today I like you because there is no cell phone ring. Maybe everybody is carrying the cell phone. I am very happy. Friends, you are in the classroom. Are you not doing a good job? Are you not doing a good job? Are you not working hard? Why should you give the access to somebody? And what you put here, whenever he is free, he will call you, na? Switch on the phone. Mr. Kass will be there. After that, you attempt. So I have very good students who carry the cell phone. When there is a call, my student will friend go out of the classroom, talk for 10 to 15 minutes, sir. Again he will come back. For me, he is a good student because he is not disturbing other students. I have another set of students. You don't want to miss my lecture. At the same time, you don't want to finish the call also. You will talk in the classroom itself. He is another set of students. So I got one doubt. Friends, actually you are coming very late to the college, talking all things in the classroom or going out of the classroom. I have some small doubt, you please clarify. You have booked a ticket in IMAX theatre, the cost is 300 rupees. The show is at 9 o'clock, what time you will go? You booked a ticket in IMAX theatre by spending 300, the show time is 9 o'clock, right? College is also there. What time the city have booked the ticket? What time you will go to that cinema theatre? 8:30. I think you don't want to miss the advertisements also. You want to consume a paracetamol tablet, but still you don't want to miss the classes. You are getting headache, you want to consume paracetamol tablet, but still you don't want to miss a tablet. You have entered the theatre. I have seen people like you, 90% of the candidates, they will switch off the cell phone before going to the theatre because you don't want to miss anything from the theatre. Even when you are watching, right? Assume that a very hot hero like Pooja Hegde is dancing and listening. How my students are very happy, right? Will you talk on the phone? Even the phone call comes says, I am very busy, you call me later. Friends, the management passion, I will tell you. Even you are missing Madam Gari dance today, tomorrow also you can go to the theatre, you can see the prime logo. Bring CD 100 times you can see it, but when you miss a kind of prominent lecture given by your faculty, assume that you have missed that lecture. Is it possible to recall that lecture in your lifetime? Management approach. Yes, that is what you have to be. No need to tell. And whatever the actions you are performing, try to question yourself that whether your actions are correct or not. When you feel that the action performed by you is not correct, stop. Sixth sense is so powerful, you see. That power of action you try to get out. Right? And you have, that's what the people says that whatever the computer you are going to invent, my dear friends, like Japan or China or wherever it may be, that never cross human brain knowledge. That never overtake. Talk about artificial intelligence. Talk about KBS. Talk about intellectual, virtual system, whatever it may be you talk, but never cross. That is what, that much capacity you have. Only thing is that inbuilt energy what you have, you need to bring them out. Definitely is going to be successful. Perform legal story.
Secondly,
Carefully watch.
Eagle has the longest life among the species. Yeah. It can live up to 70 years. But to reach this age, the eagle must make a hard decision. To success, you have to take a hard decision. Sacrifice something. To the age of 40 years, it is a long and flexible talons can no longer grab prey which serves the food because this becomes so heavy, this becomes so big, it cannot catch it. Its long and sharp beak becomes bent. It becomes bent. Therefore, it cannot catch anything. In old age and heavy wings, due to their thick feathers, become stuck to its chest and make difficult even to fly out. Then the eagle left with only two options. One, die. The second one, through a painful process. We have to undergo a very painful process. Death you remove. That has to perform for 150 days. Difficult task it has to perform for 150 days. So the process requires the eagle to, it has to go to the top of the mountain and it has to sit in a rest mode. There the eagle knocks its beak against the rock until it cuts out. So it is not like anything. We try to reduce the size to a normal size. Okay? Next. After plucking it out, the eagle will wait for a new beak to grow back and then it will pluck all its stubbles. It will wait for some time. Again it will meet all these hairs will shed off. Again it will go for waiting to regrow. This looks like this. You see how cool it is? That is when the new talons go back, the eagle starts plucking its old age feathers, all old age feathers is going to pluck. After 40 years, it used for the next 30 years. You see the way it is like. So, that's what I can say.
Definitely, to achieve something, you have to do something. To achieve something, you need to sacrifice something. If it doesn't sacrifice, do you think that the Dhirubhai Ambani in one day it has been turned now? Basically, I am Chiranjeevi fan in the intermediate and degree. 4 years I worked as a joint secretary to the Fans Association. Photo Garatam, Paul Boyatam, Standalayatam. One day, Chiranjeevi has visited Khammam, hails from Khammam. I prepared so many days how to talk. What should I ask? Because megastar is coming, right? By that time I forget everything because of the tension, stage fear. But I asked only one thing, sir, how to become very good in the life. Then he said, I don't know. But one thing I can recommend you, Nageshwar Rao, ఒకటి చెప్పగలుగుతాను. do lot of hard work. When you feel that book is there for 200 pages, at least one page should be meant for you. If not one page, one paragraph. If not one paragraph, one line. If not one line, at least one word there should speak about. Try. One day, I am sure the student of this college will activate your name or photo. If not on the front page, inside of the magazine, Fortune 500. Try the cover. Fortune 500. Your photo has to appear. That is your vision. If this is your vision, automatically what you have to do, that will come into your mind. Only one goal, your photo has to appear in Fortune 500. That's it. So when you want to become hero, work like a Chiranjeevi, otherwise born as a son of Chiranjeevi. Right? I want to become very rich. Like Chiranjeevi, I have to do lot of hard work. Otherwise, find a industrialist girl. Ramani Patayinchi Pali. Already will become rich. Practically, either which one you want. But the first one is permanent, my dear friends. Second one is temporary. If the madam throw you out, because you have to perform a lot here. That's what the first process is correct. And that is possible, my dear friends. And that's what learning is a process. I always keep myself happy. Learning process will be a permanent number. Keep yourself happy. And when you go to a cinema hall, don't think about the St. Joseph College. When you are in St. Joseph College, don't think about the cinema theatre. Because both the compartments are different. Because my guru, Professor Michael Gregory in UK, tells, one day, with this one I will finish my lecture. One day, there is Saturday, Sunday holiday, madam. So, somewhat I want to impress my boss because he is a very powerful man. Maybe father also must have been impressed. Some people may be doing a lot of buttering for you. Because you are the ultimate. Even I also do 10%. I'm very but not intentionally. So, I want to do a lot of buttering to my Professor Michael Gregory. Friday evening, I'm carrying so many files as usual. He's coming exactly opposite to me. Then I said I got a chance to make a lot of buttering to him. Then he said, "Oh, Dr. Rao, so many files you are carrying to home." Yes, sir, there is a lot of hard work. You know that I am very, very sincere. Not only in the office, house also, I have to do a lot of, that's what all these files are going. If I'm happy Monday, you come and meet me in my office. I celebrated like anything. Because Monday promotion is guaranteed for me. Right? Because he saw that number of fights I am carrying. I also told that there is a lot of work. Even though I full time I worker, but still there is a worker. So Monday, he called me in the office. The first word is spelled out. Maheshwara, all these days I got a wrong impression on you. I thought you are intelligent, but not. It's a different answer I got it. And you need to have a training in Maheshwara. For 15 days I am sending you with I am sending you for a 15 days from critical training. The reason Maheshwara, you Indians, when you are in the college, you think about the madam. I did not perform anything, what madam is thinking. You did not do any work in the office. When you are failed to do the work in the office, you have a lot of pending work. That pending work you again will carry to home. You will not perform anything to the madam. Before madam you are failed, office also you are failed. One person cannot fail at two places. Can fail at one place. Please remember, make the life compartmentalization. When you are in the classroom, it is. When you are in the cinema, it is. That makes you highly successful. I pray Jesus, I pray Almighty to give a lot of success. Thank you very much. Particularly, I am not very great person to have a lot of class. And whenever I come to St. Joseph, I feel it is my one. Basically, I am a finance man with IT background. I worked for Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. And with this small poor background, I selected for 17 government jobs. And only the end of the day which job I have to join. And for you it is possible actually. Create lot of value, do lot of hard work, take a lot of enjoyment. Both has to go parallelly actually. If you're doing only hard work, there is no meaning of the life. When you do enjoying only one part, again there is no meaning of the life. Always needs to like a rail pattal which goes very straight away. Yes. I thank you very much for giving this wonderful chance to me to interact with you. Even I have learned 3% today from the students, and that is my knowledge base. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much, sir, for inviting your Josephites with your knowledge and making them to understand the purpose of value creation and the process of value creation and how it is important for them to be most valued in the market and how to create their own image in the today's competition. Now, I would like to request our principal to address the students for a minute. Okay.
Good morning, Professor Narishaw sir, dear faculty members and students. Good morning. Mummy returns. తెలుగులో చెప్పండి. దీని తల్లి మళ్ళీ వచ్చింది. So yesterday I was talking to you, again today I am here. But you see, I take some accomplishment to talk to you, because we see your growth and we assume it is as our growth. That's the only satisfaction that teaching fraternity has. I am indeed happy that sir spoke to you extensively for a long time and with a lot of enthusiasm. I was keenly listening except for those messages which other faculty members are posting in the group. I think I also posted a message to you in your group. I don't want to see any absentees. Tomorrow I want to see 100% attendance, and absentees have to meet me tomorrow before attending the session. Please convey to your friends. There is no exception. Okay? And your shortcut for success is this one. You want to relish success by not coming to college, which is not possible. Okay. Short message I will. Because sir was talking about eagle on the mountain. When sir said mountain, I remember one story. Who were the first people who climbed Mount Everest? Yes, Tenzing Norgay and oh God, Edmund Hillary. Okay, tried many times. Their expedition was of several times. Went up, came down, went up, came down. Lot of trouble was there. Then one night they were relaxing at the base of the mountain in a camp, and then one of these two persons came out and then was looking at the Mount Everest, glittering in the broad moonlight, looking lovely with all snow and other things. Then he started imagining, what is this mountain that we are not able to climb? Then he makes a statement, oh mountain, someday I am going to climb you, because as a mountain you are not going to grow more, but as a person I am going to grow in my willpower. So your life is in your hands. Don't put it into the hands of our lecturers or principal or somebody else. Nobody will write your exam for your sake. Your life challenges you have to face. Your experiences you have to carry. There is no alternative for experience. Make everything as your own. See, sometimes what happens, suppose you are sitting in a class, one topic is dealt and you don't feel any interest. You have that feeling, but you never know in your future when this information is going to be useful. You will never understand that. Faculty will teach because they have seen that it is useful to them, and then they are teaching you now, thinking that it will be useful to you in the future. Sometimes you are in confusion. What to do? Why this? Faculty వచ్చారని చెప్పాను అప్పు అది చేయాలా? అందుకే ఇండక్షన్కి ఎందుకు సగం మంది absent ఉన్నారంటే ఇది రావాలన్నా. Do you understand the importance of this induction only after your second year? So, we were doing little exercise with Kalyan sir and myself. We asked you to write down your expectations. You know, that is you. That is you. What do you want to be? You don't aim to be like the sir said, Vijay Mallya, anybody. You have a target for your own self. Achievable targets, measurable targets. దానికోసం పనిచేయండి. Yesterday I was talking to you about 1% improvement. Today those who are absent lost that 1%. Absolutely. You got at least 10 to 15 ideas from Professor's talk. At least you feel like, yes, I need to work. This is what is everyday's learning. You don't have to be excellent in all the fields. Don't expect that. You're not going to be. You can't ask Tendulkar to start opening bowling. He is meant for batsmen. Virat Kohli again is a batsman. You can't ask Bumrah to open the innings. So everyone is gifted with something. You don't try to be somebody else. You don't try to be somebody else. You try to be yourself. Tomorrow first half an hour I work out with you, think and come, what are your weaknesses and strengths? Unless you know, you can't work on them. This is, see, education is working on yourself first. Like the eagle, after so many years, started working on itself and then it continued to live up to 35 years again. You have to work on yourself. You have to chisel yourself. You have to sculpture yourself. What is not good, remove. This 2 years time should give you that feasibility. Like sir said, if you want to do mistakes, do it now, not in your job. In your job, you are fired out. Here, you are corrected, encouraged, taken in a positive sense. There is no concept of saying that no, I will not do mistakes. No, if you don't do mistake, you are not going to learn. Thomas Alva Edison, how many times he tried to invent the bulb? Yeah. But you know what he said? I have learned these 10,000 times where I failed. I have learned how not to fail. What a statement. Suppose if you do one thing and you learn that it's not successful, you know you cannot take that path. You have to take a different path. So try, make a mistake. To make a mistake, you need a lot of courage, you know. He was talking about self-confidence. To make mistake, you need a lot of courage. To do good, you don't need courage. Suppose if somebody meets with an accident on the road, to go and help, you don't need courage. But there is one, you want to go to gold jewelry shop and then steal something, you need a lot of courage. Correct? You have to observe where are the cameras, who are the people observing, all these things. To do good, you don't need a lot of courage. But to commit mistake, see, you are risking yourself. You think what others are going to think. This is one message I would like to, don't worry about others' feelings. Yesterday also I was telling, don't live for the feelings of others. No. At the end, nobody will feel for you. Live for yourself. Achieve for yourself, aim for yourself. You create image of your own self. And that's possible only when you learn and learn. Have an ear for listening. Without listening, you will not. Or read. These two things will help you. Read not from your mobiles. Books. Of course, download the books and read in your mobile, no problem. WhatsApp messages, Facebook messages, Insta messages or Twitter messages. Even you don't even remember, those things that you have. But read a good book, you remember. Good book is worth 1,000 good friends. I'm definitely sure you don't have 1,000 good friends. You have friends who will talk to you nicely in front of you, go back and say, or whichever you. This kind of people we have in and around. So, like sir said, I also feel motivated to talk to you, but I don't want to stand between you and your snacks right now. Let me conclude, wishing you again, try to be yourself. Trust me, even if you make a mistake, genuinely I am there. Even if you fail, suppose you want to give a presentation, you failed miserably, after one slide you are not able to talk, it's okay. You have done a great job because you have come to know that you cannot present after first slide, so you can work on it. Don't worry about others who are laughing there, they'll be laughing at each one. At the end, everybody will be laughing at them. But ultimately, you are going to be the winner. Try. Never limit yourself to the chairs. I am not interested that you make the chairs very hot by sitting continuously without moving. Get up. Participate. Involve. Take lead. Become a leader. Conduct an activity. These are the things that will keep you abreast with the times. As somebody said, times are changing. Who is that who asked some doubt? So this is the thing you read. I think Ganesh sir is in charge to provide you newspapers. Been seeing sir very busy with mobile, I think doing shares work. So he will provide you with Economic Times newspaper every day. Now, one exercise we can do is take one theme for a week. I am going to propose to the faculty also. Monday they will give you one theme. Throughout the week, first 5 minutes in each class, you talk about that theme. Each one. You read the newspaper, you come with the prepared notes of one paragraph, then talk. You see the growth in 1 year. Because self-confidence will not come when you sit. When you come onto the stage, when you talk, when you read, when you express, only then you will be confident to face all your interviews. Okay? So, there is no shortcut. Don't expect to be Pani Puri style. You go there and then they'll dip it in that water and then give it to you. But before that, how much of hard work has gone into that? That we don't realize. We are happy instantly we get something, but before that, lot of hard work has gone into it. So your success will be only seen at the backdrop of your hard work. Nobody will see your hard work, trust me. Nobody will ask you how many hours you worked. Nobody will ask. Nobody will ask you how many times you wept. Nobody will ask you how many times you went sleepless nights. But once you become successful, the world will look at you. People must come to you for autograph. People must come to you for autograph. So, don't limit yourselves. You know what limits you? Your own fear. Somewhere your mind tells you go and do. Again, somewhere your mind again tells no, don't go. There are too many people observing very seriously. Shell that fear first, then rest is yours. Come out of yourself. Don't be too closed. Okay? Then I think all the things will fall in line. Hopefully I'll talk to you tomorrow also. Before the program or during the program. Okay? So, thank you, Professor sir. I have really enjoyed. Today it is not finance, it is management. That's what sir has spoken. So, given a lot of inputs, and sir is one of the best friends of mine from Usmania University from long time. When I was principal of St. Mary's St. Mary Degree College way back 2012 to 18. Always helpful. Sir, నేను బట్టర్ చేయట్లేదు, ఉన్న చేయాలి. Any need, first one in the university, first one to be called is Professor Arnold Saucer. ఒకసారి మెసేజ్ పెట్టాను, సార్ కెన్ ఐ కాల్ యూ అని. దెన్ సార్ కాల్ మీ అండ్ సెడ్, ఫాదర్ మీరు అట్లా మెసేజ్ పెట్టవద్దు. ఇఫ్ యూ కీప్ మెసేజ్ లైక్ దట్, ఐ ఫీల్ దట్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ డిస్టెన్స్. కాల్, there is no time for you, anytime you can call. See, this is a relationship, so you also have to have some close friends who will wish good for you in spite of your failures. So try to build up that friendship culture, not only just for going for a movie. That's good, maybe it starts from there, then you take it further, discuss your career prospects when you are sitting for your group discussion skills. So there are plenty of things that friendship can do. It can promote peer learning. It can give you a lot of confidence. You see, when you have 10 friends to support you, you feel like acting something. But when you know everybody is against you, you cannot take a step. So human relations, HR aspect. You have to manage. Somebody was in the group, somebody was mentioning how to manage people, group discussion. Followers, so there are plenty of things. You will learn all these things. Even faculty was thinking, Bharat might be after the night. So over to the organizers for further proceedings. Thank you and take care.
Thank you very much, Father, for this mental words and your enthusiasm and interest on making the people to know what is the importance of hard work in getting success. Now, moving forward, I would like to request our principal, Father Dr. D. Sundareddy Garu, to felicitate our guest with a shout and present a memento as a token of happiness. Now, I request Professor Vandana Sambal to propose a formal vote of thanks.
I, Professor Vandana Samba, on behalf of Department of Business Management, would like to propose a formal vote of thanks for this wonderful session, beautiful morning. I will definitely like to place on record the support extended by our professor to the college. Sir, your words of inspiration this morning not only motivated the budding managers but also the faculty too. So there are certain points which has to be highlighted. Sir, you have clearly explained and opined on the following topics like the management mantras, which is the need of the hour, the value creation, engineering, re-engineering, reverse engineering, and especially the life skills, the life lessons which will not be there in any textbook, it only comes with an experience. So that has to be clearly noted from our professors, our gurus, mentors, and also you have clearly opined on the contemporary management tools and techniques, finance concept, and value creation with beautiful examples, sir. We sincerely thank you, sir, for readily accepting the invite in spite of the busy schedule and motivated our budding managers today. We promise you, sir, we will put in our efforts along with the students to help them in their value creation and help them in creating their intrinsic value. I thank our beloved principal, our motivator, the engine for all of us. Without Father's support, this would not have happened. I sincerely thank you, Father, from the bottom of my heart, and we close this session for this today. Thank you.
Dear students, we have finished our session. So we will be having a break for 20 minutes and we will be ready by 11:50. Okay.